Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Fiverr is an excellent platform for freelancers, but for new sellers, the initial journey can feel like an uphill battle. The marketplace is competitive, and without reviews, it can be hard to stand out. However, by understanding common challenges and implementing a strategic approach, you can overcome these hurdles and start making money. Now let's get to overcoming common beginner challenges in this guide. Let's start with this first challenge, that is no reviews and low visibility. When you first start, you have no reviews, which can make clients hesitant to hire you. Your gigs also have low visibility, as Fiverr's algorithm favors established sellers. The solution to this is to get your first few reviews at any cost. Let's get to how to do that. You start by pricing your gigs competitively. Offer your services at a lower price than your competition to attract initial clients. A low price can entice buyers to take a chance on a new seller. You can increase your prices as you gain positive reviews. Secondly, over-deliver. For your first few orders, go above and beyond the client's expectations. If they ordered a logo design, provide a few different variations or a high-resolution mockup for free. This increases the likelihood of a 5-star review and a positive testimonial. Also, ask for reviews. After delivering a project, politely ask the client to leave a review. A positive review is your best marketing tool. Another tip here is to stay active. Make sure to log in daily and respond to any messages promptly. The second challenge is this: standing out in a saturated market. Many popular categories are flooded with thousands of sellers. Simply creating a logo design gig isn't enough to get noticed. So, the solution here is to specialize in a niche and target long tail keywords. In here, you can do this by finding your niche. Instead of offering a broad service, narrow down your gig to a specific niche. For example, instead of I will design a logo, try I will design a retro style logo for a coffee brand. This reduces competition and helps you appear in more specific searches. Another key tip in here is to use long tail keywords. Think like a buyer. What would they type into the search bar? They are unlikely to type just logo. They will search for something more specific like modern business logo. Use these long tail keywords in your Google title, description, and tags. Another key tip here is to analyze the competition. Look at what the top selling gigs in your niche are doing. Study their gig images, videos, descriptions, and even their pricing. Don't copy them, but use their strategies to inform your own. The third challenge right here is lack of skills or portfolio. Many new freelancers feel they have nothing to offer because they don't have a professional portfolio. But the solution today here is here. Leverage your existing skills and create a portfolio with personal projects. In here, you can monetize no-skill gigs, services like data entry, transcription, or background removal for images require attention to detail but not a specific skill set. AI tools can also be leveraged to provide services like AI art or video creation, which require mastery of the tool rather than traditional creative skills. Another key tip right here is to create your own portfolio. If you want to offer a creative service, create sample projects for fictional clients. For a logo designer, this might be creating a portfolio of logos for made-up companies. Another key tip here is to use a video. A gig video is a powerful tool. It allows you to showcase your personality, professionalism, and skills in a way that a static image cannot. Now, let's get to the final tips for your success. First, promote your gigs. Don't rely solely on Fiverr's algorithm. Share your gigs on social media like WhatsApp, TikTok, Instagram, in any relevant online forums or with your network. Also, provide excellent customer service. Clear and prompt communication, a professional attitude, and a willingness to solve problems will lead to positive reviews and repeat business. Another final tip here is to invest in yourself. consider taking a course on a platform like Fiverr Learn to improve your skills and get a badge on your profile that can boost your credibility. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video is helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.